The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carter County in southeastern Montana, southeastern Custer County in southeastern Montana, western Fallon County in southeastern Montana, northeastern Powder River County in southeastern Montana, until 6:15 p.m. MDT, at 5:16 p.m. MDT. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 15 miles east of Miles City to 22 miles east of Broadus, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour. Wind gusts in quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ekalaka, Ismay, Powderville, Knowlton, Medicine Rocks State Park, Mizpah, Westmore, Willard, located Belltower. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure, and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.